Are there any people you know that experience swelling feet? Foot swelling is a symptom of a bigger problem rather than a problem in and of itself. This typically occurs when the tissue swells due to an accumulation of fluid. We call this edema. It becomes increasingly unpleasant and possibly challenging to walk or stand as the edema worsens. Additionally, the pain may intensify and the feet may turn red. Searching for a remedy? Here are some home remedies you can do to reduce the swelling. 1. Bodywork. A foot massage is among the greatest treatments for swollen feet. This relieves sore muscles and increases blood flow. It also aids in the drainage of surplus fluid, which reduces edema. Consider the following. Apply some heated olive or mustard oil to the swollen area. 5 minutes of gentle upward massaging should be applied to the area. Be careful not to rub the area too vigorously. Several times a day, perform this. The ideal time to massage your feet is during or right after a bath. 2. Contrast hydrotherapy. Water is used in hydrotherapy, a type of therapy, to relieve pain and discomfort. Water that is both warm and cold will be used for this sort of hydrotherapy. Why do you do this? The cold water will reduce the swelling in your feet, while the warm water will aid with blood circulation. Consider the following. Fill 2 foot tubs with water, chilly in one and warm in the other. Spend 3 to 4 minutes soaking your feet in the warm water. Then immerse your feet for about a minute in the chilly water. For 20 to 25 minutes, keep switching between the two. Perform several times per day until the edema subsides. 3. Ginger. Because ginger is a natural diuretic, it helps relieve swollen feet by reducing the body's water retention. This is because it reduces the amount of salt in the body, a major contributor to edema. Consider the following. Several times per day, massage ginger oil into swollen feet. You can also consume 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea or chew on raw ginger slices. 4. Dandelion. Swollen feet respond well to dandelion treatment. Because of its diuretic properties, it aids the body in absorbing additional fluids. It also aids in monitoring the body's salt levels. 1 cup of boiling water should be added to 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried dandelion leaves. Before straining it, cover it and let it soak for 5 minutes. 2 or 3 times a day, sip this tea. You can also take dandelion supplements or tinctures, but you should first consult your doctor. 5. Movement. It's crucial to exercise frequently to prevent foot edema. Exercise improves blood circulation and prevents blood from accumulating in your lower limbs. Consider the following. 30 minutes of brisk walking or jogging, at least 5 days a week. Swimming is one of the best workouts you can do to reduce swelling and relieve pain. Regular yoga practice to promote blood flow. Activities for strengthening and stretching the legs. 6. Magnesium. The absence of magnesium in your body can lead to edema, which can result in swelling in the feet. Eat meals that are high in magnesium to assist combat this issue. Dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, seafood, soybeans, avocado, bananas, and dark chocolate are some foods that are high in magnesium. Magnesium supplements are okay, but only after consulting a physician. 7. Epsom salt. Epsom salt has the power to quickly reduce swelling and relieve pain. This is because it contains magnesium sulfate, which the skin may absorb to promote blood flow and reduce edema. Additionally, it relieves sore, drained muscles and can eliminate foot odor. Consider the following. Add a half cup of Epsom salt to a foot tub's warm water. Immerse your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Try this up to 3 times per week. Here's more advice for treating swollen feet is provided below. 1. Raise your legs so they are higher than your heart level. 2. Consume less salt and caffeine because these foods make your feet swell. 3. Opt for fresh produce and fruits over canned foods, which often have salt added for preservation. 4. To keep your body hydrated and flush out nasty bacteria, drink plenty of water. 5. Limit your time spent sitting down. Take breaks instead, and move about a little. 6. To prevent feet from swelling on lengthy trips in a car, bus, train, or airplane, consider using compression stockings. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.